Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here, but I'm very excited about it because it was sent by my good buddy at Sierra_bound on Instagram. So it's gonna be something cool. If it's something I can link for you guys, I will absolutely link it right down in the description. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below as well. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see what we've got here. All right. I don't remember Scott saying he was sending anything, so okay, hang on one second. Sometimes in life, the unexpected happens, and my relationship with you has been all of that. 16 months ago, I was just a sole collector who enjoyed knives and thought it might be fun to share a few with you and your viewers. What that has evolved into is something very unexpected and, more importantly, rewarding. I didn't even know Instagram was a knife thing. I thought it was just for kids to share pictures. To be fair, I kind of thought that's what it was too, so I get that. But by finding and trusting you, I have not only been able to obtain pieces beyond my imagination, but more importantly, and with you, share them with others. Give back, and giving is so much more rewarding than having, and that's what you do. You give to all of us, the knife community, with your honesty, enthusiasm, wit, and character. And with that, here's a little something to say thank you to a friend. Man, Scott, that's so nice. I mean, I can't. I'm just sitting here just feeling warmer and warmer and warmer. I don't even know what to say. This is a gift from Scott. And man, I'm honored. Thank you, Scott. That's so cool. I have the biggest smile on my face, and I'm gonna open this up. I recognize the front there. Yeah. So Scott sent one of these just a while back. You guys may have actually seen the unboxing, but he has apparently also. Oh man. Oh man, he's also got one here for me. So this is an integral. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I didn't see the marks on there. Holy crap. Dude, yes. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I am so excited. That is so cool. I did not know that this I was looking at the it's an integral, right? So it's all one piece titanium. I was looking at that and I was looking at the grinds, and my brain that usually recognizes this area and any laser marks for it's just maker's marks, right? But I didn't at first realize that my logos were lasered into this. Oh man, that is so cool. I will never, ever let this thing go. Oh my gosh, that's the first time. So I saw, here recently, Way of Knife put my, they sort of anode my helmet into the frame, but I've not seen it on the blade like this. Oh man, I love this. Scott, that was so unbelievably cool and generous of you. What an amazing thing, man. I'm gonna carry and use this knife. I feel like I have to. I would love to. There's definitely a part of me that wants to put this in my knife case, which is right over there, and only get it out to just sort of look at it and love it and this or that. But I have never had a dedicated integral carry knife. This one, given the size of it, and the fact that we've got a big, robust harpoon, in this case it's a recurve blade, which is kind of cool how we have it's like a Tanto recurve. We've got this big, chunky, aggressive blade aesthetic, and then this nice integral frame. The size of it, though, is one that just makes me want to carry it. And the fact that oh my gosh, it's gonna be real hard to get this thing out of my pocket. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. That is so cool. I'm kind of letting my ego get the best of me here, seeing my own logo laser etched on a knife that was gifted to me. And I guess I'm just putting that on display for everybody here. But Scott, wow, incredible. I very much value the relationship that I've developed with Scott. Obviously, there's an enormous chunk of my content that would not have been possible if it weren't for Scott or other people like Scott. It's what Scott does. Make sure you guys follow him, obviously, on Instagram. But I'm really glad that he's found some joy in building his Instagram and sharing in the same type of stuff that we all love, right? And developing other friendships and developing relationships with other knife makers that he has purchased knives from, and he's been able to get his hands on stuff that apparently he would not have known about otherwise. That's cool. That's a huge part of what makes this so interesting for so many different people, right? And it's people like Scott who have helped build pretty much all of the content on this channel. So I kind of feel like I should be reciprocating. I should be me buying a knife for Scott, but that's just the kind of person he is. So very cool, man. Extremely cool. I am just beside myself with joy. This is such an excellent looking knife. I love the combination of the black, right? We have M390 black PVD. Really cool. So this is from, and sorry about that, should have shown this from the beginning, Daniel Carraher. And you can see his Instagram, which is right here. And obviously I'd urge you guys to check this out. I think Jim Skelton has a full review of this knife that is up. If you guys want those details, you can check it out there. Yeah, this is going in my pocket. As the moment that I am done with this video, it's going in my pocket and I'm going to use it. Scott, wonderful. I could not be happier. Thank you so much. Thanks for being a part of my channel. Thanks for being a great friend. Thanks for always being super informative and sending, just some of the coolest stuff that I've ever seen. Thank you so much. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Really epic. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.